Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got my BLS certification done at Reg Institute in the Jalib area of Kuwait. And if you're a healthcare professional, this is something you absolutely need. This is in Jalib. I'm in Jalib area right now. So I have come to this. Do you see at the top, Private Education Institution, REG. Now let's start the vlog. हमारी गाड़ी तैयार है. So that's our person who's gonna take us to this BLS store and let's see how it goes. So guys, BLS आपको करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप इंडिया से हो, पाकिस्तान से हो, नेपाल से हो, बांग्लादेश से हो, अफगानिस्तान से, any country, you have to do BLS before applying for a job here or for even if you get a job, it's mandatory. So भाई अभी कुवैत में गर्मियाँ स्टार्ट हो गई. It's good temperature right now. I'm not sure how it will be, but it's currently 21 degrees Celsius right now, and it's 8 a.m. So basic life support is a set of medical procedures and techniques that's used in emergency situations to support a person's breathing and circulation. It includes CPR and methods to relieve choking. These skills are crucial in the first few minutes after someone collapses before advanced medical help arrives. और ये बहुत important है. आज के ज़माने में BLS is very important to learn. Let's break it down. This is the backbone of BLS. CPR includes chest compressions and rescue breaths. High quality chest compressions are key. That helps to keep the blood flow flowing to the brain and heart. The current guideline. And before you watch this video, make sure you're sharing and joining our page Explore with Kian. That's very important. Sharing means caring. और जो यहाँ पैरामेडिक है, नर्स है, मीन्स हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल है, रेडियोलॉजी का है, लैब का है, माइक्रो का है, हिस्टोपैथोलॉजी का, कोई भी हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल, इफ़ यू हैव टू वर्क हेयर, BLS इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आज तक हमने जो BLS प्रोवाइड किया वो एक्सपायर हो गया, हम नया कर रहे हैं. Now why is BLS certification important? Because time matters. In a cardiac arrest, every minute without CPR reduces the chance of survival by 7 to 10%. So as health professionals, we can't afford to panic or hesitate. We have to act immediately, and BLS training gives you the skill and confidence to do exactly that. Also, guidelines and techniques can change. That's why regular recertifications are important. So what you learned 5 years ago may not be applicable today. So staying updated ensures that you're giving the best care possible. So this is the building where we're entering right now, and this is their office actually. This is for immigration, education, a lot of things that they do. And finally we have so we have come here for this BLS certification. So let's enter. Okay. So they do have a space, you can sit here. आप यहाँ लोग वेट कर सकते हो आराम से. Because to be honest, it takes a lot of time. It takes 2 to 3 hours for you to go through that training. So they're gonna give you the classes. You have an ample amount of space. This is a space where you can sit, and then you have the training hall. I mean, you go to that hall and you complete your trainings. There are visuals, audio, video visuals. You have to go for an online class, then give an examination, you get the certification. See, and the rest, you have these standees here, and you have to pay amount of fee, whatever. So just waiting for the elevator now. Which elevator? भाई हम जा रहे हैं. So guys, now going back to home. So guys, it was wonderful coming to REG. Actually, we had to do the BLS. If anybody is working as a healthcare expert, healthcare professional in Kuwait, तो भाई अगर यहाँ पर आप पैरामेडिक्स में हो, मेडिक्स में हो, हेल्थकेयर इंडस्ट्री के साथ हो, तो आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए. You have to do BLS. Basic life support is very important certification. अगर आप कहीं पर जॉब करते हैं तो आपको BLS करना ही पड़ता है. तो फाइनली we were searching for some BLS options, so we got to know Jalib is the place. तो यहाँ पर आ गए. अब obviously अंदर चल के बहुत टाइम लगता है. यू हैव टू डू एग्जामिनेशन. 1-2 घंटे का क्लास है, वीडियो ऑडियो और जो भी आपको पता ही है. देन आपको एग्ज़ाम देना पड़ता है. बट right now it's a good weather, great weather, 27 degrees Celsius in Kuwait.
and it's cool. It's really very cool. And here are we right now. हम भाई जलीब के अंदर ही हैं. हमारी गाड़ी शायद कब आएगी, क्या करेगी, वेट ही कर रही है अभी. But this is so guys, this was a different video to tell you about the Kuwait. The weather is amazing, Middle East is amazing. You do your work, you go back home and sleep, and meanwhile you make vlogs. That's the way it is. So make sure you're following our channel. आप हमारे चैनल को देखें, फॉलो करें, शेयर करें. Sharing is important. So maybe this video would not be entertaining for you, but it might be good for informative purpose for the people who work here as healthcare expertise, whether in any field, surgical, non-surgical, anything. So for healthcare, this is important. So basically reg का ये है इंस्टीट्यूट, उसके साथ ये सब स्टॉप. आप यहाँ कुछ खरीद वरीद, so you can get your photo whatever.